Join me as I dive into the future and try to predict what's next for DeFi stocks in 2025. The world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, has been taking the financial landscape by storm. DeFi stocks are becoming increasingly popular, offering a new way for people to invest and participate in the financial markets. As we head into 2025, it's exciting to think about what's in store for DeFi stocks. Will they continue to rise in popularity, or will they face new challenges? One of the biggest challenges facing DeFi stocks right now is regulatory uncertainty. Governments and financial institutions are still trying to figure out how to regulate DeFi, and this lack of clarity can make it difficult for investors to feel confident in the market. Market volatility is another major concern, as DeFi stocks can be highly unpredictable. We've seen huge price swings in the past, and this can be a major turnoff for some investors. Another challenge is the risk of security breaches. DeFi platforms are built on blockchain technology, which is secure, but not foolproof. There have been several high-profile hacks in the past, and this can make investors nervous. The lack of transparency in some DeFi projects can also be a concern, making it difficult for investors to make informed decisions. These challenges don't necessarily mean that DeFi stocks are doomed, but they do need to be addressed if the market is going to continue to grow. So, what can we expect to see in 2025? One potential development is the continued growth of decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. These platforms allow users to trade assets in a decentralized way, and they're becoming increasingly popular. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see new and innovative DeFi products emerge. This could include new types of lending platforms, or new ways for investors to earn interest on their holdings. The rise of institutional investment in DeFi is also a trend to watch. As more big players enter the market, it's likely that we'll see increased adoption and mainstream acceptance. One key prediction for 2025 is that we'll see a major increase in the use of stablecoins. These are cryptocurrencies that are pegged to a stable asset, like the US dollar, and they offer a way for investors to participate in DeFi while minimizing their exposure to market volatility. The use of artificial intelligence and machine learning in DeFi is another area to watch. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way that DeFi platforms operate, making them more efficient and more secure. In terms of what to expect in 2025, one surprise could be the emergence of new DeFi hubs around the world. As the market continues to grow, it's likely that we'll see new centers of innovation emerge, potentially in countries with favorable regulatory environments. To sum it up, the future of DeFi stocks in 2025 is looking bright, but there are challenges to be addressed. From regulatory uncertainty to market volatility, there are several factors that could impact the growth of the market. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts on DeFi stocks in the comments. What do you think is going to happen in 2025? Let me know. Don't forget to check out my next video on emerging financial technologies.